Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is My Panda Peter. You want to block ads on Android using private DNS? Okay guys, let's admit ads are something which we all hate. Ads not only annoy us, but they also ruin our video watching or web browsing experience. Furthermore, if your phone has adware, it can affect battery life and performance. When it comes to blocking system-wide ads, routing seems to be an option, but users rarely root their device these days. Also, routing invites risks like phone break and security problem. What if I tell you that you can remove ads from your Android without gaining root access? This is possible with the private DNS option of Android. Google has already introduced a new feature known as private DNS. It's a feature that allows users to easily change or connect to different DNS on Android. The private DNS option of Android Pie will enable users to set any particular DNS server for Wi-Fi and mobile networks in one place rather than changing it one by one. So, to block ads on Android, you need to switch to AdsGuard DNS. Let's start by going to your own settings on your phone. Okay, here is my settings. After opening your settings, you select connections or wireless networks. As for my own, it's connections. After selecting your connections, you have to go to the more connection settings, which is this. So as you can see, here is my private DNS and it's currently off. If you want to stop unwanted ads popping up on your video, you need to toggle on this private DNS. You are going to select on this private DNS. After selecting it, you are going to write this dns.adguard.com. After that, you are done. You now save it. After saving it, that's it. You are done. Restart your Chrome browser to apply the changes. AdGuard doesn't block all ads, but it will block the most annoying ones. The method I shared on this video removes ads from every web page. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe with your friends also. If you have any doubt about this, let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys.